Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about straight cheese 5, 11, 12, and 13 up to 13.6. The first is called Dynawall, Dynamic Wallpapers Generation. Which is called Idetus, and basically, or Ditus, create your own wallpapers. So, pretty cool. This is called Backrunner. Basically, this week, a tweak to keep apps running in the background can be enabled, disable app in the preferences. App list required. Another tweak, basically that's alternative to this, which I think is a lot better. It's called CS Backrunner. Hold on. It's called Background Action or Background Action 2, and it basically keeps the app open even when you're not in it. The only downside about this one, any other one, is that if you do shut off your device, as in like if you press the button, they don't run in the background anymore. So like you have to have the device, you have to have your phone on. But other than that, it works amazingly. This is called Background Manager. Bring back true multitasking on your device. Allows users to enable backgrounding for true multitasking on iOS. This feature is actually it's called Backer, and download wallpapers. Features keyboard search. This is called Dark Sounds, dark mode for the music app for iOS 11 and 12. This is called Moonstar Font. This is called Fancy Selection, and basically change the hideous iOS text selection menu with the fancy one with fancy selection. Fancy selection makes the text selection look great, modern, and clean. So style text with different fonts that are visible to all devices and platforms. This is called Assistant Plus. Allows anyone to easily personalize and enhance Siri by creating custom responses. This is called True Cuts, and tweak for Siri shortcuts that enables all automation triggers to run without prompting. This is called Watch Face Widget, and also HS Widgets extension for Watch Face. Next is called Customize CC, Customize your Control Center. This is called Animations Be Fast Plus, and the great thing about this tweak is that it will be updated for iOS 14. Basically, what this tweak does, you read the features right here, but kind of like basically stops your animation. So like you open up like the settings or an app, it like your animation, like every time something opens up, or when you tap on something, that basically gets rid of the animation, so it makes your device a lot faster, or at least seems a lot faster. But it is. So like you press it, I think it might be like around the same speed, a little faster, but it seems like it's a lot faster. And I think for most of it is faster. So kind of by killing the animations, it does make the device faster. And it feels so fast though. It's called Perfect YouTube, and basically for iOS 13 and 13.6, you have all these features right here. You have actually a ton of features for the YouTube app. This is called YouTube Tools, Essential Toolbox for the YouTube app. This is called Eclipse, Dark Mode iOS 12 or Eclipse for iOS 12. And Eclipse for iOS 12 is actually now free. It's basically just a dark mode system-wide for iOS 12. There's also another one, Eclipse for iOS 13, and like Eclipse Ads, which is for iOS 11. So depending on the iOS version you have, you download one of the Eclipse, and it's just a dark mode system-wide for your device. This is called Share Anywhere. It's also another tweak called Share Post Image for Reddit, and has the ability to share post images in Reddit official app. But this week is called Share Anywhere, and this week is an activated action. Allows you to quickly share pictures, text, and screenshots via share sheets. Also has functionality to screenshots. It can be before the screenshot is taken. Gives you the option to save it or share it. This is called Emoji Port, iOS 12.0 to 14.0. So the latest emojis for iOS 12 to 14. So even for iOS 13 or 12, whatever, you get the latest emojis. So it does support iOS 14.0, but I'm saying you get the latest emojis anyway. But it's saying iOS 12 or 13, you get those iOS 14 and iOS 14 emojis. So pretty cool. It's called YouTube Reborn, and basically YouTube Customizer. So you basically get a ton of features for the YouTube app. This week is by Sarah H12099, which is a pretty amazing developer in the Jailbreak community. But she did leave the Jailbreak community, so she's no longer making tweets, updating them. So if you do buy this, just make sure you downgrade YouTube to a version that this works on, and don't expect any upgrades or any help with anything or any bug fixes, because like I said, developer right here, Sarah, she left. YouTube Music Background enables background playback on the YouTube Music app for free. This is called YouTube Music Plus Plus by Sarah. No ads, background playback, double tap to skip, audio only mode switch on YouTube Music. This is called Circuit for YouTube, and basically it's a YouTube Plus Plus alternative. You get these features right here. This tweak is actually a theme, and the last tweaker theme is called Glitched Apple Respring logo, glitch in the Matrix rebooting. So scroll down. You can see when you reboot or respring, you have the Apple logo, it has this effect. So it looks actually really cool. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.